Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation, created specifically to help you reduce stress and find peace within. In today's world, we face many sources of stress and anxiety that can feel overwhelming. But with mindfulness, you have a powerful tool to help you regain control of your mind and emotions, bringing you back to a state of calm and presence. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, somewhere you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. As we move through this practice, remember that there's no right or wrong way to meditate. Whatever you experience in this moment is perfectly okay. Let's begin. Grounding through breathing. Let's start by bringing awareness to our breath, the anchor that will guide us back to the present moment whenever our minds start to wander. The breath is always with us, a constant companion, and by focusing on it, we can begin to calm our nervous system and release the tension that stress often brings. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you breathe in, feel the air filling your lungs, nourishing your body. As you exhale, let go of any stress, worries, or tension you may be holding on to. Breathe in and breathe out. Let your breath flow naturally without forcing it. Notice the rhythm of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. If your mind starts to drift to other thoughts, simply acknowledge those thoughts without judgment and gently guide your focus back to your breath. As you continue breathing, imagine that each inhale brings in fresh, calming energy, and each exhale releases the stresses of the day. With every breath, feel your body and mind becoming more grounded, more present, and more relaxed. Body scan for stress relief. Now that we've centered ourselves with the breath, we're going to move into a gentle body scan. The purpose of this body scan is to notice where tension may be stored in the body and to consciously release it. Start by bringing your awareness to the top of your head. Feel any sensations here, maybe a sense of tightness, tingling, or warmth. As you exhale, imagine that any tension is melting away from your scalp, forehead, and temples. Now, bring your attention to your face. Notice if you're holding any tightness in your jaw or around your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, soften the muscles in your face. Let your eyes rest and allow your jaw to relax. Next, move your focus to your neck and shoulders. This area tends to carry a lot of stress. As you inhale, imagine breathing into the muscles in your neck and shoulders. And as you exhale, release any tightness. Allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears. Bring your awareness to your chest and heart center. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each breath. If there's any tightness or heaviness here, let it go with your next exhale. Imagine your heart space opening, softening, and expanding with peace and calm. Now bring your attention to your abdomen. Stress can often manifest here, leading to tightness or discomfort. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension you may be holding in your stomach or lower back. Continue this scan down through your hips, thighs, knees, and all the way to your feet. With each exhale, feel any tension in these areas melting away, leaving your body feeling lighter and more relaxed. Mindful awareness of thoughts. As we continue to relax the body, it's natural for thoughts to arise. Our minds are constantly thinking, planning, and analyzing, which can often lead to stress and anxiety. But in mindfulness meditation, we learn to observe these thoughts without getting caught up in them. Take a moment to notice any thoughts that may be passing through your mind. Maybe you're thinking about something that happened earlier today, or worrying about what's coming next. Whatever thoughts arise, simply observe them without trying to change or judge them. Imagine each thought as a cloud floating by in the sky. You don't need to chase after the clouds or hold on to them, just watch them as they pass. Some clouds may be big and heavy, while others are light and wispy. But eventually they all move on. If you find that you're getting caught up in a particular thought, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. The breath is always here to ground you and bring you back to the present moment. Cultivating acceptance and letting go. One of the most powerful aspects of mindfulness is the practice of acceptance. Accepting what is, without resistance. Stress often comes from fighting against what we can't control, whether it's a difficult situation, a challenging emotion, or an overwhelming thought. In this moment, I invite you to embrace acceptance. Whatever is happening in your life right now, whatever stress you may be experiencing, it's okay to let go of the struggle. You don't need to fix everything right now. You don't need to have all the answers. As you breathe in, invite a sense of acceptance into your heart. As you exhale, release any resistance or need for control. Repeat this process with each breath, allowing yourself to surrender to the present moment. Remember that letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means releasing the weight of things that are outside your control. It means trusting that everything will unfold in its own time. And in this moment, you can choose peace over stress, calm over chaos, finding peace in the present moment. We spend so much time worrying about the future or ruminating on the past that we often forget the peace that exists in the present moment. Right here, right now, you have everything you need to feel calm and at ease. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Feel the ground beneath you, the air on your skin, the gentle rhythm of your breath. There is nothing else you need to do right now, nowhere else you need to be. As you sit here, in this moment of mindfulness, remind yourself that peace is always available to you. Even in the midst of a stressful day, you can return to this place of calm by simply pausing, breathing, and reconnecting with the present. Take a few moments to rest in the stillness. Let go of any remaining tension or stress and allow yourself to just be, closing and carrying peace with you. As we come to the end of this mindfulness meditation, take a moment to notice how you feel. You may feel more relaxed, more present, and more at peace. Know that this state of calm is always within you, and you can return to it whenever you need. Take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace with you as you move through the rest of your day or night. Remember, mindfulness is a practice. The more you engage with it, the more natural it becomes to respond to stress with calm and presence. Thank yourself for taking this time for self-care and for prioritizing your mental and emotional well-being. Thank you for joining me in this mindfulness meditation for stress reduction. I hope you feel more at ease and more connected to the present moment. Take this peace with you and know that you are always capable of finding calm amidst the storm.